Hello everyone. Today we will take chapter 4, that is exponents and powers. And this chapter is very important as well as interesting chapter. Let's start with introduction part. Suppose that number is written in the form of x power m. Then this x is called as base and this m is called as exponent, exponent or power. Exponent or power, one and same thing. Let's understand this concept with few examples here. Suppose that the number is 2 power 6. Then this 2 is called as base and this 6 is called as power or exponent or exponent. Let's take one more example. Suppose that the number is minus 6 upon 5 and the power is 6. Then this minus 6 by 5 is the base and this power 6 is called as exponent or power. Exponent or power. Let's take the next concept, that is laws of exponent. Suppose that the number is written like x power m multiply x power n. Observe here, the bases are same and the powers are different and it is in the multiplication form, then it can be written as x power m plus n. We will add these two powers together and base we will write it only once. Next law, x power m divided x power n. Observe in this law, bases are same and the powers are different, but it is in the form of multiplication, division form, not multiplication. Then to write it, you will write this base only once and first power minus second power you will write it. Next law, x power m and outside is one more power, that is n. Then to open this bracket we will write this x only once and multiply m and n together, means m into n. Next law, x power m multiply y power m. Is there any difference between this law and the first law? Yes. In this law, the bases are different but the powers are same. But in first law, the bases are same and the powers are different. So in order to write this law, we will write x, y together, x into y. So x into y, x, y together, and power we will write it only once. Similarly, if it is in the division form, x power m divided y power m. Again observe, the bases are different but the powers are same and it is in the division form. So how will you write it? You will write x upon y together and write the power only once. There is one more concept which you have to write, remember it. Anything power 0, any number, any integer or any number power 0 is always equals to 1. Is always equals to 1. Anything power 0 is always equals to 1. Let's understand this one with one of the example, one or two examples. So if I will take 3 power 0, as this is written here, anything power 0 is always equals to 1. So 3 power 0 will always equals to 1. One more example. Suppose that if the number is written like this, 2 by 7 power 0. So as I have told it, anything power 0 would always be equals to 1. So this is also equals to 1. So like this, there are many other examples also in which you have to remember anything power 0, it would always equals to 1. I hope these laws of exponents are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.